Okay, today what we're making here is a rear cradle for the rear end of a log, and I'll show you how it'll go. This is going to be a spreader bar to go in between these, okay? And another one over here. These are the axles, and they'll get welded onto there, onto the spreader bars. Okay, this is cool enough I can handle. The other stuff's pretty hot yet. The log will sit in here, and it'll give me a place to put a strap on it to keep the wheels under the ass end of the log. It's only to get it out of the woods where it's nasty. Could be wet, muddy, blah blah blah. Got these tires, which are from Harbor Freight. They have a 300-pound rating per tire. So these tires have been sitting out here a few days while I was finishing up some other stuff. These tires should be enough to hold a 20-inch log. No problem on the ass end. I am preparing to make a log arch. I purchased 6 of these. This one's a little dirty. Again, been sitting around a little while. When you see this stuff, you got to buy it. We have what's called the East Jordan Foundry up here. I heard the other day that they use 1 million pounds of scrap a week for making all of their castings and whatnot. Anyway, these are store brackets. They had tons of wire baskets to go with it. I didn't want that, of course. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put that down. I've already cut this one off. It will be welded onto there. Okay. Now, that's going to give me 20-some inches plus. I'm going to reposition this just a little. Okay. I might even do this direction. That way those angle braces are both the same, going the same direction. Whatever. This way I have 22 3/4 inches. That's a bigger log than I can cut. These will be the uprights. This will be the uprights. There will be a couple of tires on the bottom of that. I'll put axles down here. This will be my log arch. Coming out of there will be where I put out of here will be where I put the winch. Sorry for all these yeahs. Taking me a minute. I did run into a guy yesterday that told me Forest Service had one of these. It just had a chain and a hook with a pivot up here, and when they hooked into it and swung that up, it would pick the log up high enough so that it wasn't dragging the ground. I'm going to look into that too. You'll be the first to know if that works. Okay? Enough for now. Oh! I'm going to give you one more shot of the pig with lipstick on it. Alright, hang on. Sorry about the noise. I did burn a couple of spray bombs on it. For all you guys that are handymen working with some rusty crap, there's a product out there that's called Crud Cutter. Believe me, you want to try that with a power washer. That crud cutter overnight will turn the rust black. There it is, crud cutter. It's a product by Rustex. You can order it online. Got mine out of eBay. That shit works. Take my word for it. It is good stuff. Okay, ta-ta for now.